Ready to explore Kenya? First stop, your eTA, Electronic Travel Authorization. Let's get it done in under a minute. Since January 2024, Kenya has replaced traditional visas with a fast digital eTA system. You must apply before travel, and it's mandatory for almost everyone, kids and adults alike. Gather these essentials: a passport valid for at least 6 months with a blank page, a recent passport-style photo, confirmed accommodation or an invitation letter, and your flight details. If needed, like if you're arriving from a yellow fever zone, have your vaccination certificate ready too. Apply online, ideally up to 90 days before travel, but at least 3 days before departure. Submit your documents, pay the fee, and wait for approval. Once approved, your ETA lands in your email. Tip: double-check everything before submitting. Errors or missing info can delay or even cause rejection. Keep a digital and printed copy of your ETA on you when you travel. That's it. Your Kenya adventure is only a few clicks away. Bon voyage!